How to increase karma on Reddit. The very first thing you want to do is to open your application Reddit and make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on your profile at the top right corner. Right here you can see the option where it says karma. Tap on it. You can see I currently have only one karma. Over here you can see two types of karma. One is post karma and the another is comment karma. Now what this means, the number of posts you will make and every post and comment that you will make, and the number of likes or the comments that you receive on the post. According to that, you will receive karmas in your account. So in order to increase the karmas, you simply need to post some cute cat videos and something else. You can also try to get a viral video from anywhere like Instagram, TikTok and so on, and then simply upload it on the Reddit. And then see if the video is liked by many people, your karma will be successfully increased and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to increase karma on Reddit. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.